Hola amigos y amigas, I am Leila, also known as Ms. Bohemia, and I am jumping right into the video because this is an unboxing and I received the package that I'm going to be unboxing a few days ago and I have not opened it and I cannot wait, and I want it to be a real to goodness, honest, authentic capture of the unboxing. And so, of course, it's all about Soultanicals and it is the Hawaiian Hibiscus Healing Collection. I'm holding the box upside down so you don't see my address. Let's get to it. This is what you see. I'm gonna try to preserve it as much as I can because I have to do this for Instagram later, but ooh, you gotta lay. Let's get it on. Oh, check it out. Nice. It comes in a bag. Ooh, a fan. Okay, I got my lay on. It's a little cheap plastic thing, but it's hella cute and I'm here for it. Hawaii, Bombay. Son dos paraísos que a ver. That's a Spanish song. You don't know it, but I don't know any American songs. And in no particular order, the products are the Luck and Roll Hibiscus Flow Hair Follicle Growth Butter, the Hibiscus Hair Healer Healthy Scalp Butter Shampoo, the Hibiscus Hair Healer Healthy Scalp Therapy Mask, the Hibiscus Veda Scalp Healer Botanically Infused Strand Poo Bar, the Hibiscus Shine Curl Define Medium Hold Hair Gel, and a little surprise and gift, the Hydrating Hibiscus Moisture Mist. And that's it for the unboxing. It doesn't have a leave-in? I thought it had a leave-in. Oh man, am I missing a leave-in? I really desperately need a leave-in because I am fully out. Okay, so I checked and thankfully I'm not missing anything. I cannot wait to try. Something leaked a little. I mean, not a lot. Hopefully everything's super full, but since I don't open products in my unboxing videos, this is it. Just short, sweet, to the point, showing you wham bam, thank you ma'am, what's in the box. And until next time, I am Ms. Bohemia. Stay tuned for upcoming videos where I will be trying these products and many other products by Soultanicals. So I have no idea what's coming up next. So just stay tuned, keep an eye out, and if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more, and I hope you check out my next one. See you then. Ciao for now.